Elon Musk's AI company xAI has launched Grok 3, the latest version of its flagship AI model, which he claims to be the smartest AI on Earth in the competitive AI market. The Grok 3 is set to compete with rivals such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and China's recently launched DeepSeek. Tech billionaire Musk stated during a live stream presentation on Monday, Grok 3 is an order of magnitude more capable than Grok 2. It's a maximally truth-seeking AI, even if that truth is sometimes at odds with what's politically correct. During the demonstration, Musk highlighted Grok 3's enhanced capabilities compared to its predecessor, Grok 2. According to xAI researchers, Grok 3 outperforms all other AI models in terms of performance. Even in the form of Grok 3 Mini, its toned-down version. Powering several features on X, Grok 3 is capable of analyzing images and responding to questions. The company has started to roll out Grok 3 for Premium Plus subscribers, with X being the first ones to gain access. Additionally, xAI is introducing a new subscription tier called Super Grok, designed for dedicated users seeking advanced features and early updates. This plan will be available on the Grok app and the Grok.com website.